Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's see important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty and the stocks you can trade. So today we saw a sell-off in Nifty from 16,927, and in yesterday's video we discussed the up move can continue till 16,950, and above 16,950 Nifty can go till 17,100. But today we saw sell off from 16,927. So tomorrow if Nifty opens above 16,740, then Nifty may remain sideways in the range of 16,550 to 16,900. But in case Nifty opens below 16,740, then Nifty can test today's day low, that is 16,555, and below today's day low Nifty can fall till 16,470 to 16,450, and below 16,450 the next support level on charts is at 16,000. So now let's see Bank Nifty. So if you see the chart of Bank Nifty, the next resistance is at 35,200. So if Bank Nifty opens above 35,200, Bank Nifty can remain sideways in the range of 34,900 and 35,600. But in case it opens below 35,200, then Bank Nifty can test today's day low, that is 34,700, and below that Bank Nifty can fall till 34,500, 34,400. Now let's see stock. So our first stock is Vedanta, and it has started to make a downside price action, and you can sell it below today's day low, that is 354, and you'll have to maintain a stop loss at 360, and your target will be 345, 340. Now let's see our second stock. And our second stock is Dr. Reddy's, and if you see the chart, it is trading in a range from last 5 sessions and now has closed near the lower end of the range. So you can sell it below 3870. You'll have to maintain a stop loss at 4000, and the next support is around 3700. So 3700 will be your target. So that's all for today's video. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.